We brought the meat to the street. I am the Pied Piper. Cheeky. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to my Z. Now please note, this video was filmed a few weeks ago before the recent restrictions were put in place. So you may be wondering why things look different to how they are as you are watching it now. But no, this video was filmed weeks prior to uploading, blah 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 blah. But anyway, we've got the Z out. We have filled up with fuel. Turns out I only had 800 millilitres of fuel left by the time I got to the fuel station. But it's all topped up now, and we're going to use our 30 mpg to get to the Winchester meet. It's a meeting in Winchester. Anyway, I'm going to catch up with you once we are there and have a look around at the cars that turn up.
Is there a god? Because that
is godlike. Well, here we are. We're behind a Jimny. There's an RX-8 and whoa, that was a flame. I can rev too. They are revolutioning. Go on, RX-8. Flames! Flames! Oh, Jimny, don't let him in and now we can't get in. Come on, Jimny. Come on, Jimny. Use your snorkel and swim. What? What?
Look!
What?
Over there!
Where?
It's a good boy!
Oh, there! Oh, there's a bike doing a burnout behind us. Congratulations, everyone. Cars are leaving. Why are cars leaving? Why is everyone leaving?
It's been shut down already.
Really?
Yeah, there's a second location on the Facebook page.
Oh, okay, I'll go there. Thank you.
Lisa! You could take an artsy photo if you wanted.
Oh my god, yes I could, and I am. I am going to do that. Check out what Chloe has spotted. There it is. Well, there's the shot. Nissan with a Nissan. So apparently they have overgrown this location, and that's why we are moving to another one. Zee! Oh look, we're being filmed leaving a car show. Shall we absolutely send it? I just did a first gear pull up to 30. That's all you need. Look at that. That is a Chevrolet pickup. It's got a Chevy 350 V8. Anyway, we are now without traffic and cars and content, so I'll catch up with you when we are with cars and traffic and content. I can't hear anything over my own car. Aston Martin DB11, he is probably not with us, but he can be. It's free. It's free. He saw me. He looks over. At least he knows it's free. The Bishop on the bridge. I'm guessing that's the vision. He could be the Bishop. He looks disgusted. We brought the meat to the street. Oh, the RX-8 is shooting flames once again ahead of us. Oh, the RX-8 is doing a burnout. Can you see that, ladies and gentlemen? There's not even any crowds. That means it isn't the crowd's fault. Oh, it's freshly laid tarmac. Come on, guys. Look at what he's done. This is like a huge car park with many different sections. I think we're tucking the car meet out of the way from all the Karens and other general public.
That was a slide.
It wasn't a slide. He's a rambling hiker. Right, let's have a look around at the content. So I have found an entrance area. This is a road that people are using to make entrances, although people are going one way and others are going other ways. The MX-5's coming, the Fiesta is turning around. So there was music playing over there, so I can't actually film any of the cars in that radius, so they've kind of shot themselves in the foot, but it's alright. We have a Mazda RX-7 and a Nissan GTR at the top of this line. But we have possibly my favourite wrap, oh no, at the moment on this Golf GTI. We have seen it recently. It's, I can't remember the colour again, we're going to call it peach, next to a yelly car, yes. We've got the IS200 lineup opposite another slammed mobile, this BMW 5 Series next to an MX-5 with an odd matching bonnet and a Mazda of some sorts. I like the rusty wiper blades, that's genuine OEM rust. It's the SE Executive 323, of course there's a 323, I forgot they existed. Well, they don't anymore apart from this one. This is the, how many, is there like a website that you can see how many cars are left on the road?
330.
323? No, it's going to be less than that. There are apparently only 69 of these licensed in the UK at the moment, according to a website I just found. What?
A number plate.
69. Oh my god! It's like Jesus has risen and done that. But we are long overdue a game of what's inside your car. On tonight's episode we have a high-vis turtle. He's got the number 46 on his back, which is something to do with motorcycles, which I don't know anything about. And talking of two-wheeled automobiles, we have this Star Wars mobility device with a bend in it. I don't think it works anymore. And we have 4 Mark 1 MX-5s and a sandwich of 2 Mark 3s and some evidence of previous occurrences in this car park. Are they neons? Yes, they are. I think it's safe to say that they have been brought back. During the recent time of unbusyness that everyone had, this is what's happened to a lot of the cars on the scene, including mine, but mine don't work anymore. Even the Ranger has neons flashing underneath it. They have to reach quite a long distance from the bottom of the vehicle. We've also got this Civic with neons as well. Someone's come here to do a fire. And here is the Nissan Laurel. We've got a GS300 rolling in. That was the quietest roll in I've heard for a while. This guy doesn't really know how to be quiet. Yeah, that's not the quietest roll in I've heard. And a Zenki. We've got a Zenki. And here we have the recycling point with the discarded Corsa. Oh, he's recycling the Lexus as well. Even the Cursons are being recycled. I can hear a V8. C63? I'm going to say C63. Oh, it's an E63. You can forgive me for that. A couple of lumpy V8s entering the meet, starting with the Ford Mustang with the bonnet scoop. Yeah, that sounds good. This sounds even nicer though. I love that. And half a camouflage Fiesta. Oh, more sounds. Here we go. That went right in my face. Who was popping flames? Mr. Believe vlogs, everyone. Why are larders becoming more popular? Are they mating? There's also an Evo behind it, and one of those Nissan Figaros. R8s are vastly becoming the popular choice of the more wealthy car meet attendee. This one appears to be purple. That's a lovely colour. It's almost like Porsche's Ultraviolet, but it is an Audi colour. Celica with Celica written on the windscreen, so you know it's a Celica and not the front-wheel drive Supra. Oh, that sounds like the GTR is back. Yep, the GDR is back. Sounds like a whip. Just a hunch, but I think this is a 16-valve Saxo VTS. It's diesel, but it's also chrome. And with cars still arriving at the front of this line, we have a Lancia Delta. That's some impressive parking up the bank here. It's not a shallow bank that's steeper than it looks on video. It's about that. Oh, what he's done there is he's crashed into the bank. That's what's happened. Oh. Oh, they look a lot like my glasses. They are very blind because I think it's for long-sightedness. So, they are the cars of the meet, and these are my new glasses. They see me rolling. We got more cars rolling, including a Glanza with a carbon bonnet and a siren not belonging to the enforcement. Oh, V8 Mustang rolling in. Let's stand back. In fact, let's go in the bush. We've got another Z rolling in, and this Toyota imported wagon thing. I don't know the name of it. Please don't shoot me for it. We don't actually get these in this country. Is it like a late Mark II? Please tell me in the comments what Toyota is this. I heard a mysterious V8. It's a Hummer! Someone's bought a Hummer! Was that the Delta making those revs? I don't know. I'm going to film the Hummer.
It's off!
I'm off! There we go. Yeah! Oh, look at the plate! It even says Arnie on the back. Shuts him down. Everyone's running for the F15 now. He's gone right up to the RX-8 to do another one. So the S15 Variator completely shut down the RX-8 there. Everyone's following him around the car park, hoping we get more. I don't know if we'll get more, but if we do, then joy of joys. The RX-8 is trying some more. Even the Audis are giving it a go.
One more time. Not again.
He values his Shell V-Power, I think. Oh, strange to see a Varietta doing that. I mean, brilliant to see a Varietta doing that. I love a Vert. The RX-8 is now departing the show. To the Evo 10 that we heard popping some flames earlier. Oh, Astrovan did something astronomical. Oh, that was the, there we go, there's the astronomy. Astronomy? No. What is that? Is that the Civic? That was the Civic. Also, the police have just turned up, so everyone's telling him to not do that. I don't think I caught any of it, but yeah, it was a turbo Civic doing some launch control sounds. I imagine they've caught up to him. It was like a Screamer Pipes-esque sound. Well, it was that sound, there you go. I filmed it. And the Focus ST is doing, oh! Oh, there's a white chaser as well! It's alright, the chaser's safe, because everyone loves a white chaser. Let's see, what's the police actually... Are they going to do anything? I think they're just scaremongering at the moment, because all it was sounds. Everyone's also seeing what's going on behind me. It's all going down! I am the Pied Piper! Nah, I think he's just scaremongering. I don't think anything's actually being said. Although, are they more sirens? Oh, more sirens. He's pulling someone over in the car park? Is that happening? I say sirens, they're light. Sirens are the actual sounded bits. Yeah, I think he's pulled the Focus ST, even though it was mostly the Civic that did the sounds. I think they're stopped to have a chat about the sounds. The police don't like sounds. That's what's the case. There's more sounds over there. So the crowd are crowding, as crowds do. I think he was just let off, just told to calm down for the evening. Oh, cheeky, as they roll through. Oh, it's a Grinnell Scorpion? No, it's not Grinnell, it's... I don't know what that is. It's like a mid-engine pit car. What engine's that? What? That's unique. Embarrassingly, I thought this FTO was a DB7. The Chaser has re-emerged. It's safe to do so. I can hear the turbo Civic behind this van, I think. There it is, forward parks, tucked out the way. It wasn't me, officer. Poor ST took the blame for the Civic sounds, although he did a little bit of sounds, as STs do. Got a 289 Mustang turning up as well. Quite the variety tonight. And an E36. Is that the turboed one? I think it is. Yeah, that's definitely the turboed one. We've got an R33 rolling through with an E36 for Fiesta, and in the distance, a taxi who has made the wrong turn. So both of these car parks have filled up. We've got the green laners parking on the grass. I can hear sounds down the road as well. What's an all manner of thing was that? Well, that was an R8, that last one, but the other one was anti-lag of some sort. Crowds are wandering over here to see what created that lovely noise. It was a Corrado. But now things have calmed down, we can collect our thoughts, and unfortunately we have an early start tomorrow, so we are going to leave a little bit early, but I think all the cars have now arrived. So that was the Winchester meet in Winchester. So let me know in the comments below which car out of all these ones I filmed today you preferred. For me it was definitely the S15 Varietta. Oh, some lighting. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Follow me on Instagram for all the highlights about these meets I go to. But for now, thanks for watching. Oh, well, I've just returned to my car and someone has, I presume, gifted me a little Hot Wheels car. That's like a Chevrolet Bel Air. They just call it the 8 crate, but thank you very much to whoever gave this to me. I presume I'm not just stealing a toy, but it's mine now.